Hi, welcome to ChipChop. This video is a very quick overview of the ChipChop Development Console and the various tools and features you will find there. First, when you activate your ChipChop account, you should receive your direct links to the Dev Console and web app. In case you lose that information, it's not a problem. Just go to the main ChipChop website, go into the login link section, enter your email address and find your access links. And from here you can go direct to your Dev Console. Once you access your Dev Console, best is to bookmark it in your browser. So once you've logged in, the first screen you will see is the dashboard, and here you see all your devices, their statuses, if they're online, offline, and also you can interact with your devices in real time straight from the dashboard. So you can switch lights on or off, or you can adjust different parameters, view logs, and it's all happening in real time. You can even see the exact time and date when each component on your device has actually sent its status in seconds. The next section, and probably the most important section, is the devices section. This is where you add new devices. This is where you create a virtual representation of your device so that the ChipChop Cloud Engine knows how to communicate with your device. So you specify things like the type of hardware used and different components. You have a quite nice component library, and you will find a lot more information about this section in the docs and API. And also you will, if you watch some of the other tutorials, you will see how this section is used to its full potential. Once you have finished building your virtual device representation, next place you will probably go is the code builder. You can access the code builder either from each device or from the main menu. And the code builder is the tool that generates a starting code template for your device. So all this is generated on the fly. There is, as you change things, the code is actually written for you, and you can use the code builder interface itself to edit the code, to add more code, but it's a limited little IDE. Best thing is, once you have added the modules you want, if you want to use any of them, is then to download the code package that you can then load directly into Arduino IDE or Platform IO, and then continue editing the code in one of those bigger editors, and then compile and upload onto your device. One thing you can do from here is you can do the over-the-air update for ESp32 and ESp8266 boards directly. Next section is the App Studio. It's a nice little section which allows you to customize completely your web app. So you can add different widgets on your dashboards like this, and you can rearrange things within the widgets. You can modify the device view. So apart from the quick widget, every device has its own more comprehensive view, and you can rearrange how those controls will be showing in your web app. You can also customize completely the color theme of your app. You can change different backgrounds, upload your own images, and tweak each color almost independently for all the different components on the screen. And the moment you press save, within 5 or 6 seconds, this will change your app on your phone. So it's almost in real time that what you do here changes on the app on the phone itself. Next section is the smart actions, and this is where you create different automations. So based on if, then, and when criteria, if something on a device is in a certain state, then you can create different rules for something else to happen on a different device. So if a button is pressed on one, it could turn the light on a completely different device that is on a different continent. And it all happens in real time. And again, there is a whole tutorial about using actions with some live examples. Another section, very small, very simple to use, is the groups section, where you can group your devices together. So you can put all the lights in the house together, all the heating or alarms, and then you can target these groups from the actions or from automation shortcuts on your phone app. Usage statistics shows for the current month how many platform requests your devices had. That includes all the device heartbeats, different fast events, notifications, and so on, and how many you have left for the month, and also how many notifications your devices have sent, and how many Alexa requests if you use Alexa. In this section, you can, if you use Alexa, you can connect your accounts, your devices, and so you can add voice control directly to your microcontroller, basically, and it's very simple to use. Again, there is a whole tutorial with live examples how to use this particular section. Utilities. At the moment, there is only one little utility that generates specific QR codes that you can use in your app, but there will be more, so keep an eye on this section because you may have some nice little shortcuts and tools that are sort of generic and could help you or save you some time. And finally, you have the accounts, your account section, where you can change your password, and it just shows you some of the information about your account credentials, Alexa status, and you can also generate an access key in case you need to request some help. And that's it. That's a quick overview of the development console. Hope you have enjoyed this, and if you can, have a look at some of the other tutorials.